Welcome. I'm Ravi Verma, professional Scrum trainer at Scrum.org, Agile coach, and the CEO of Org Whisperers. So let's talk about how we can stop wasting time and money on Agile transformation. This is a sequel to my previous blog, 7 Reasons Value Dies in Transformation. Let's talk about why we start an Agile transformation. It starts with a thirst. We are thirsty to do better for our customers, users, investors, and communities. And we are thirsty to be done with this finger pointing. So someone has a bright idea. Aha, let's do an agile transformation. So you submit an RFP. You are trying to find the vendor who will deliver the cheapest agile training that will give you the most number of certificates with the least amount of time and money invested. You'll sign a contract with the cheapest vendor, usually for some kind of Scrum Master training. Deliver the training, they'll dole out some certificates, some black magic hocus pocus will occur. Voila, you will be 100% agile transformed on time, on scope, on budget. Right? Wrong. You would have ended up wasting a bunch of company time and money and thrown it down the drain. And you would go back to the finger pointing. And then you'll start thinking, why? Why did this happen to me? I'll tell you why. But first, let's start with the thirst. We started with a thirst to do better for our customers, our users, our investors. They have complex problems which are being solved in a rapidly changing, uncertain world. You are offering solutions to help them solve these problems. And you thought that delivering some Scrum Master training and getting some Scrum Master certificates will help you magically get transformed, and you will deliver more value to your customers, users, investors, and your communities. But when the evidence comes in, you realize that your hypothesis was invalid, and all you did was waste a bunch of company time and money. What questions could you have asked your partners? Notice I said partners, not vendors. Here are 9 questions. Ask your Agile transformation partner, how will you help us with Agile diagnostics? A mediocre solution to the right problem is better than a perfect solution to the wrong problem. How will you make sure you're solving the right problem? How will you make sure your leaders behave in a way that is aligned with Agile principles, values, and methods? How will you make sure you use empiricism and you quantify, visualize, and optimize indicators of success, customer, user, investor, and community-centric indicators? How will you improve customer and user-centric product management? How will you be a good steward of every dollar and cent and precious minute that is invested in the so-called agile transformation and optimize the ROI of that precious time and money? How will you enable high-performing self-managing teams? How will you use agile principles, values, and methods to manage uncertainty and risk and take calculated risks? Make sure that your risk exposure does not exceed your risk tolerance. How will we use agile principles, values, and methods to evolve, to adapt in the face of new wisdom from the market? And how will you scale agility across the entire organization? So these are 9 questions. Hopefully, if you answer these questions as part of your RFP, your contracting process, your SOWs, you'll get 100% agile transformed, right? Wrong. There is no such thing as transformation. If you look at those people in that raft, there is no one single point when they can relax and rest assured that they are 100% agile transformed. They are in a very uncertain environment, as are you. Agility is a path. It's a continuous search for maximizing value for your customers, users, investors, and communities. You are never 100% agile transformation. There is no such thing. If you found this useful, contact us for a free consultation. Thank you, keep calm, and scrum on.